The updated version of the companion app for the auto repair shops is ready to become the heart of your work process anywhere you are, thanks to the following special features. The application is always at hand anywhere you are. It provides instant access to all data of your shop, tracking of the repair status and task performance, total replacement of paper inspections, maintaining contact with customers, and making payments. Now, let's discuss every feature in detail. First, let's add a vehicle. Go to Receive Vehicle, create Owner and Vehicle, add New Vehicle, and add all necessary data manually. Wait, there must be a way to do this faster. Whether you are in your repair shop or in a customer's garage, you will receive access to all AutoRepair cloud data. This means that the service writer will assist us after adding customers' information and the information about their vehicles. The AutoRepair Shop Cell application has been optimized for working at low connection networks, allowing you to receive instant access to the necessary information. To search for a vehicle or a customer, use the following tools: Search or license plate recognition, search or VIN recognition, search by the phone number, or search by email. Meanwhile, we have received access to the vehicle data and noticed that some information was missing. But as we already know the customer's email address, it is easy to add these data. After the data update is completed, we can finally start the repair. Press plus repair button to create the new repair order. The first thing that we can't help noticing is that the owner of the vehicle added a concern, which may provide important information for the repair. To see the details of the concern, click on the three dots button. It would be too easy if the customer himself could diagnose the problems of his vehicle. It looks like we need to find out what caused the problems. To determine the problem, it is necessary to add an inspection. Click on the Add Inspection button and select one of the templates prepared earlier by your service writer. Such templates allow technicians to estimate the time and cost of diagnostics in advance, as well as to get rid of the paper documents, saving all necessary data in the cloud. Mark the test results that you have already performed with the check marks. The green checkbox indicates that the test was successful. The red checkbox signals that the test has failed and the repair is needed. It seems that this car has seen better days. We spotted a defect on its left side. We must certainly submit this information to the workshop. Click on the existing body damage, then mark the location of the defect, select the defect type, and add a description. If you open the newly added marker again, you will receive access to the tools for adding files, including snapshots and videos. Press the plus More Media to bring up the media panel. The plus Add Picture button will allow you to add a camera shot. The Edit button is intended for editing the name and description of the file. You can save the important information using the following buttons. Press plus in the Concerns field or Add Concern button to create a new inquiry. You will have access to the same images and video loading tools as in the other types of inquiries. We shall now discuss the engine problems using the Onboard diagnostics, also called OBD2. Connect the OBD2 adapter to the corresponding port in your vehicle and add a diagnostic using Add OBD Diagnostic button. To begin, select one of the preset diagnostic templates, for example, the Diagnostic Trouble Codes or DTC. Press the Retake Data button. If you have successfully connected the OBD2 adapter to your device, the application will upload first the list of previous diagnostics and second the updated data about your vehicle's condition. If any problems have been detected by the diagnostic trouble codes, the application will create the related concerns automatically. It looks like we have received all necessary information about the problems and may now start the repair. Click on the Finish Inspection to quickly close all active diagnostics and go to the next repair stage. While we are working in the field, the service writer is covering us controlling logistics and managing the repair. The service writer adds necessary labors, orders certain parts, and transfers the repair to the wait tech stage to let us get ready for the repair. While we are waiting for the requested parts, it's time to check on our customer's reaction. The list of repairs containing new messages is located in the Chats with Customers section. Find the new repair and open it. You can choose how to deliver your message: by email, by SMS text message, message to the app chat, or using the push notification. You can also choose one of the message templates prepared by the service writer, or attach files, images, video, or PDF documents to your message if the file transfer is supported by the selected messages. Can't wait to start the repair? Let's check if the required parts have arrived. Go to Labor Tracking section and select a running repair. Under the Parts tab, you'll see the list of parts related to the running repair and their status. It seems that the parts will arrive soon, and it's time to start the repair. Go back to the Labors tab and press the In Process button of one of the repairs. You will see that its status has changed to Completed. Here, you can record the factual working time. After finishing all work or by pressing the Finish All Labors button, the repair will switch to the finished or final stage of your repair. It is time to pay the bills. This application supports payments using the two payment processors, PayPal and Square. To receive payments, you need to install the application for one of these processors. After you install the application, go to the Card Payment section again, select the needed repair, choose the amount, and complete the payment. Even though the AutoRepair Shop Cell is intended for use with web or tablet versions, it can completely change the work process of your repair shop. And specifically, it can speed up the process of adding customers and vehicles, get rid of unnecessary documents, and coordinate the repairs outside the repair shop. We hope that you will find these features useful. Please subscribe to the channel to learn about the latest AutoRepair Cloud updates, and see you soon in our new video.